Two succumbed to injuries after train derail in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two employees of the Discovery Bauxite Partners who were killed in a train crash near Brownstown in St. Anne on Sunday have been identified. They are Shane Powell, a security guard of Clarendon Address, and Orlando Brown of Brownstown in St. Anne. According to police report, both men were aboard the train when it developed mechanical problems and derailed and crashed in a gully. Both men received multiple injuries and died on the spot. In a statement that was sent out earlier today, Discovery Bauxite confirmed that the company's personnel alerted its emergency team and that first responders from the police and the fire department rushed to the scene of the incident. We are contacting the families of the two workers and are offering them our full support and assistance during this extremely difficult period. We share their grief and we offer our prayers and support during this difficult time, the bauxite company said in a statement. The company also said that a senior team has been assigned to carry out a comprehensive investigation into the cause of the derailment. All rail operations have been suspended pending the completion of a preliminary assessment. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.